Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Debian 12 operating systems. The process is same on all Debian 12 versions. First open any web browser. I am on Debian 12 operating system. Then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down. Click on MySQL Community Downloads, click on MySQL Community Server, then select the version from this list. See here, I have the MySQL 8.0.41. If you are unable to find at the time of installation, you can click on this archives. There you will find the older versions. See here, we have the older versions. Okay, so select the version, then select the Linux operating system, that is Debian Linux. See, once we selected Debian Linux, it populated the list of the packages that needs to be installed. So, see here, we have different Debian packages. But instead of downloading each, to download this deb bundle package. So, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 470 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, click on activities. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file. So run the command tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name and hit enter. It is done. ls. See here we have these many Debian packages. We have to install these packages to install the MySQL 8.0.41. But before installing them, we have to install the following dependencies: sudo apt get install libao-dev, then mcap-ipadic-utf8. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now ls install these Debian packages for the MySQL 8.0.41. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for the root account. So provide the password, hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter. Now see here MySQL 8 uses a new authentication based on improved SHA 256 based password methods. Okay, select tab OK by using tab and hit enter. See here we have two types of authentication methods. First one is the recommended, second one is the legacy method. So select the first one or second one, then select OK and hit enter. It is up to you which method you want to choose. See, these not installed, but no need to worry. We have installed MySQL Server 8.0.41. Control L, sudo systemctl status MySQL. This is a command to verify the MySQL Server status. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root is the username, -p. Then provide the password that we have set at the time of installation. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.41. We can also verify the same. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.41. Control A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See here, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database by running the command create database. Verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this new database and create a table. verify the current database. See, we are in the bank database. So create a table. Create table. Now verify tables. See, here we have the customer table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Verify the data. See, we have added these two rows. Now create a user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. So we can get the list of users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user. Create user James identified by, provide the password. Now verify, same. See, new user James is there. Exit from this MySQL shell. Now connect MySQL with the new user. MySQL -u, username is James -p. Then provide the password of this James user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected MySQL, the user James. Okay. Now try to switch to bank database. See, access denied for the user James to the database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges to this user on this database. That's why we are getting this error. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Debian 12 operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. It is stopped. Let us verify the same whether it is stopped or not. Status MySQL. See, MySQL service is dead or inactive. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL. See, we are unable to connect. So let us start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify again. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify again. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL from the command line client. But we can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. So you can go through this video description or search for my YouTube channel for how to download and install dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. Okay, now we will see how to download from MySQL Workbench. Go to downloads again. Click on MySQL community downloads. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Okay, for dbeaver, go to dbeaver.io. See, here we have the community server and pro edition. You can download it. Okay, we have successfully installed. I am in downloads directory. ls. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So to clear the space, I am going to remove these files. rm star.deb. It will remove the all Debian packages. ls. See, here all Debian packages are removed. Now we will remove the star file also. rm, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.41 on Debian 12 operating systems. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.